Hello everybody and welcome back to Tasty Home Cooking. In this video we'll be making delicious Bulgur Kofta Balls, also known as Fellah Kofta. This recipe is very delicious, so let's get started with this amazing recipe. Here are all your ingredients. Start off by cutting your potatoes into small pieces and placing it into the pot. Add your water into the pot. Place your pot onto the stove with the lid on to cook. While waiting for it to cook, let's move on to the bulgur balls. Add your bulgur into a large bowl. Add 1 cup boiling water into the bowl. Mix with a spoon. Place the lid on and let it sit for 10 minutes. After it's been 10 minutes, open the lid. Give it a stir with a spoon. Add your cooked potato into the bowl. Make sure you have removed all water left in the pot. Stir. Add your spices. Also, add your flour. Stir. Add your 1 egg, but make sure the bowl has cooled down. Continue stirring. Now you can go in with your hands. Once at this consistency, you're ready. We will now roll the balls. Put flour on your plate so the balls don't stick. Continue for the whole batch. You can put water on your hands so the dough does not stick. We will now cover the balls with flour. Shake the plate to distribute the flour. Now add 1 liter of boiling water into the pot. Wait for the water to boil, then add 1 spoon of oil. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt. Time to add our bulgur balls. Cook for 10 minutes. Let the balls sit. Once it's boiled, the balls are cooked. Now we'll move on to making the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of oil into the pan. Add half a tablespoon butter. Add 1 tablespoon tomato paste. Stir. Let the tomato paste cook for 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of water. We add the water so the sauce is more liquid. Stir. Now place your bulgur balls into the pan. Do not place all your balls at once or it will be too hard to mix. Repeat until you have no balls left. Stir so the balls are completely covered. Once done, place onto a plate. We used arugula and parsley to decorate our bulgur balls, but you have the choice of not even adding greenery. Also, we added yogurt, which is also optional. We also added black pepper, which is also optional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell. Enjoy!